Dive into the world of online tutoring, a booming sector in 2024. With the ascension of remote learning, the landscape of education has drastically transformed, opening up a world of opportunities for those in the know. As classrooms turned virtual, the demand for online tutors has skyrocketed. No longer confined by geographical boundaries, you could be sitting in your cozy apartment in New York, teaching calculus to a high school student in Tokyo. The beauty of online tutoring lies in its flexibility. You can teach from anywhere, anytime, as long as you have a stable internet connection and a passion for imparting knowledge. From math to science, English to Spanish, history to coding, the subjects you can tutor in are as varied as your expertise. But it's not just about academic subjects. Are you a master at playing the guitar? Or maybe you're a yoga enthusiast? There's an audience out there eager to learn from you. In terms of income, online tutoring can be quite lucrative. Depending on your expertise and the time you can dedicate, you could earn a substantial side income, or even replace your day job. But remember, like any other venture, it requires dedication and consistency. Building a strong reputation as a reliable, effective tutor is key to attract and retain students. The best part? By becoming an online tutor, you're not just earning money. You're making a difference. Whether it's helping a student ace their exams or teaching someone a new skill, you're contributing to their personal growth and success. It's a win-win situation, really. So, if you've got knowledge to share, online tutoring could be your ticket to earning online. With the right skill set and a dash of patience, you could unlock an income stream that's not only financially rewarding, but also incredibly fulfilling. After all, what could be better than earning money while helping others learn and grow? It's time to turn your knowledge into power, and power into profit. Transitioning now to the realm of freelance writing and editing, a cornerstone in the digital world. Here, we find a marketplace pulsing with demand, where businesses are seeking talented individuals to create engaging and meaningful content. It's an exciting world of words, where your creativity can truly shine and your income can flourish. In the current digital landscape, content is undeniably king. It's the lifeblood that keeps businesses alive and thriving, the language they use to communicate with their audiences. Every blog post, every web article, every piece of website content, they all serve a purpose: to inform, to entertain, to persuade, to connect. Now let's delve a bit deeper. Picture a bustling city, where each building represents a business. Each one of these businesses needs a way to communicate with its audience, a way to stand out among the rest. And that's where freelance writers and editors come into play. Consider blog posts. They're like casual chats over coffee, where businesses share insights, updates, and stories with their audience. Then we have web articles, the in-depth discussions, the thought-provoking pieces that dive deep into a topic. And let's not forget website content, the first impression, the handshake that introduces a business to its visitors. In this city of words, freelance writers are architects, building narratives from the ground up. Editors, on the other hand, are the keen-eyed inspectors, ensuring each sentence, each word, is in its rightful place, contributing to the overall message. The beauty of freelance writing and editing lies in its flexibility. Whether you're crafting compelling blog posts at dawn or polishing website content under the moonlight, you get to set your own hours. And the best part? Your office can be anywhere. A cozy corner at home, a bustling coffee shop, or even a sunny beach. So, if you have a way with words, a knack for crafting compelling narratives, or an eagle eye for spotting typos and grammar mistakes, this might just be your path to financial freedom. Freelance writing and editing, a world where creativity meets opportunity, where your words can make a difference. And who knows, your next piece might just be the one that helps a business grow, a reader learn, or a dreamer dream. Now, let's navigate the exciting world of podcasting, a platform that's rapidly gaining traction. Imagine this: you, in your cozy corner of the world, reaching out to hundreds, thousands, even millions of listeners, sharing your unique insights and experiences. Intriguing, isn't it? That's the power of podcasting. Podcasts have surged in popularity over the years, with the number of podcast listeners doubling in the past 5 years alone. And the best part? There's room for everyone. From food to finance, travel to technology, there's a niche for almost every topic under the sun. So if you have a passion or an area of expertise, there's likely an audience waiting to hear from you. Creating a podcast can be as simple or as elaborate as you want it to be. All you need to start is a decent microphone, some basic editing software, and a hosting platform to publish your podcast. And voila, you're a podcaster. But how do you make money from podcasting, you ask? Well, once you've built a steady audience, there are several ways to monetize your podcast. Sponsorships and advertising are the most common methods. Companies pay for ad spots in your podcast episodes, either at the beginning, middle, or end. Rates can vary greatly, but typically, the larger your audience, the more you can charge for ad spots. Another way to monetize is through listener donations or subscriptions. Services like Patreon allow your listeners to support your podcast with monthly contributions. In return, you can offer exclusive content or perks as a thank you to your supporters. Remember, the key to successful podcasting is consistency and quality. Make sure your content is engaging, informative, and valuable to your listeners. And don't forget to promote your podcast on social media and other platforms to reach a wider audience. If you have a passion to share, podcasting could open doors to a broad audience and income. It's a wonderful journey of connection, creativity, and yes, potential profit. So, why not give it a try? The podcasting world is waiting to hear your voice. Next, we delve into the universe of YouTube, a platform with billions of users worldwide. This digital cosmos is teeming with opportunities for those who dare to dream, innovate, and create. From the comfort of your living room, you can reach out to a global audience, sharing your unique perspective, knowledge, or entertainment. What makes YouTube truly special is its versatility. Whether you're a seasoned filmmaker, a passionate educator, or a charismatic vlogger, there's a place for you here. The platform is a canvas waiting for your brushstrokes, a stage ready for your performance. It's a space where creativity and entrepreneurship meet, sparking a vibrant explosion of opportunities. Imagine the potential income streams waiting to be explored. First, there's ad revenue. As your channel gains traction, advertisers will pay to have their products and services showcased to your growing audience. The more views you garner, the higher your ad revenue climbs. But ad revenue is just the tip of the iceberg. Sponsorships are another lucrative avenue. Companies are always looking for influencers to promote their brands. If your content aligns with their mission, they might just sponsor your videos, adding a significant boost to your income. And let's not forget merchandise sales. As your channel grows, so does your brand. Your audience will connect with your content, and many will want to show their support by purchasing your merchandise. From t-shirts and mugs to digital products, the possibilities are endless. Of course, success on YouTube isn't overnight. It requires dedication, creativity, and a keen understanding of your audience. But with consistency, the rewards can be immense. And the beauty of it all? You're not just making money. You're building a community, sharing your passion, and making a difference in people's lives, one video at a time. So, if you're all about creating engaging videos, YouTube could be your platform to success. Dive in, explore, and let your unique voice echo across the digital landscape. The world is waiting to hear from you. Finally, we explore the lucrative world of e-commerce, a gateway to global markets. In the digital age, the concept of a traditional storefront has been transformed. Now, anyone with a product or service to sell can set up shop online and reach customers around the world. E-commerce platforms like Shopify and Etsy have made it incredibly simple to start an online store. With user-friendly interfaces and a wealth of resources to guide you, these platforms take the guesswork out of the equation, allowing you to focus on what truly matters: your products and your customers. Now, let's talk about what you can sell. If you're crafty and enjoy making handmade goods, platforms like Etsy can be a goldmine. From handmade jewelry to custom-made clothing, the potential for creativity is endless. The key is to find a niche that you're passionate about and that resonates with customers. Alternatively, you might choose to go the route of sourcing products to resell. This could be anything from books to tech gadgets. The trick here is to find products that are in demand and that you can sell at a profit. This might require a bit more research and investment upfront, but the potential returns can be well worth it. But remember, success in e-commerce doesn't come overnight. It requires careful planning, consistent effort, and a willingness to adapt and learn. It means understanding your customers, staying on top of trends, and constantly seeking ways to improve. Just like any other business venture, e-commerce has its challenges. But with the right strategy and a bit of persistence, it can be a rewarding way to earn a living online. And the best part? You can run your business from anywhere, at any time, giving you the flexibility and freedom that traditional jobs often can't offer. If you have a product to sell, e-commerce could be your route to a strong online income. It's a world of opportunity right at your fingertips, waiting for you to seize it.